ground soil with a syringe in a glass beaker and add 24 milliliter distilled water.
Yes.
For black soil, take 5 milliliters soil and add 30 milliliter distilled water. Stir the suspension for 2 minutes and then measure pH and electrical conductivity EC as follows.
Thank you. Okay, so I'll let her do the experiment. If you guys want to join in, please come up. If you want to see how to operate the weighing machine and everything, because I cannot show you like this, okay? We need to set it down on the table, so you won't be able to see. So if you want to look at how to operate this machine and everything, please come up, have a look, okay? So yes. Yeah. This is your portable weighing machine, okay? So, yes. Please turn on the machine. So after you have turned on the machine, it will show 0.00 gram. Okay, if it's not showing 0.00 gram, press the tare button. If you press the tare button, it will come to 0.00. Okay, and the most important thing is, don't ever put the pepper first and then turn on the weighing machine. Okay, if you turn it on, then it will come to 0, but the weighing measurement will be different. So always turn on the machine first. Bring the machine to 0.00. Press the tare button. Press the tare button. Yes. And only after that, when it comes to 0.00, you need to weigh your pepper first. And then after that, press the tare button again. Yes. When it comes to 0.00, weigh your salt. How many? 12 grams, right? Weigh 12 grams of your salt.
It measures milligram also?
It measures milligram as well. 12 grams. 12 grams is a lot, so just take as much as you can.
12 grams.
12 grams.
उधर से ले आओ ना हैंडबैग.
This is not necessary.
यहाँ ले. What is the maximum limit?
Maximum though, I don't know.
Okay.
I haven't tested it.
Just weighing scale पे जैसे हम लोग weigh करते हो तो chemistry lab में दिखा दो.
Weighing machine, ना?
वैसे ही.
That is a cuvette. That is used for the machine while testing macro and micronutrients.
We just need to put 12 gram only.
12 gram only.
Okay. And it is sufficient for this test?
For pH and EC, it is sufficient. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that will do. Yes. 12.8 is also okay. Yes. Now,
What is the precision? Means at 12.1 is also.
yes, that is okay. It should not reach 13.
बात नहीं बेटा.
This is very good. Now, they asked us to add 24 ml of distilled water.
एक स्टूडेंट को नहीं लगा
इधर से एक भी और घर आ जाओ देखो साथ साथ.
Now, this is your measuring cylinder, okay? So, this measuring cylinder has 25 ml. For 24 ml, you need to take it where? Count from 20. 24, yes, till there.
24 ml.
While measuring this as well now, bring the measuring cylinder up to your eye level, okay? So that you'll see it perfectly, yes. What happened? You guys don't want to see it? No.
थोड़ा खड़े होकर भी कर सकते हैं बच्चों को देंगे ऐसे 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 करेंगे.
मेजरिंग सिलेंडर है 24 ml वाटर हम लोग मेजर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है.
एक टेबल वो लगा लेंगे तो डेमो के लिए
Yeah, that would be good. Yeah. Okay.
This table one.
But the smaller table will be better, I think, for them to see.
सामने का बहुत है पोर्टेबल दे देते हैं
धीरे धीरे कर
Is that 24?
Yes.
Can you show me? Yes, that's 24. Yes, add it into this one.
So, this is a saline water?
This is distilled water.
Distilled water.
Now stir your soil
टेक्नोलॉजी
sample.
भी जाती हूँ काम होती है कि चेकिंग होती है अभी कोई टेक्नोलॉजी बायोलॉजी पूरी है सॉइल की
सामने की तरफ मुँह करके उधर करते रहो ये सब लोग देखते रहे
टेबल को ऊपर रख दो।
वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट सामने वाली टेबल पे रख दो
अभी ये क्या बना रहा है सस्पेंशन की कोलाइडल की सॉल्यूशन बताओ सॉइल प्लस वाटर बताया था सस्पेंशन व्हाई बिकॉज़ द पार्टिकल्स आर नॉट एबल टू गेट डिसॉल्व ठीक है
अगर चाहे आप खड़े होकर भी देख सकते हैं आराम से लेकिन अच्छे प्रॉपर क्लिक से
कौशल आगे आ जाओ बैठा है पीछे
मिट्टी
ये वेइंग मशीन
ये मुझे लग रहा है पीएच का डिजिटल होने की
pH road, okay. This will test the pH of the soil. This is your machine. At the back side of the machine, do you guys see this? There's an option for printer. The portable printer which I showed you can be installed in here. The USB, this is also for printer as well. There is a USB connection wire there. This is called pH. We'll insert the pH apparatus into here. This is the EC. We'll insert. This is the EC apparatus. Will come to that later after we're done with pH. And then this is the solar panel plug. After that, this is your power plug, your power button. Okay. So to insert the pH rod is really simple. You want to try? Yes. Please insert the pH rod. Yeah, into that. No, there's a knob right here, right? You see this? Yeah. Yes, and then turn it clockwise. Yes, yes. So that is how you insert the pH rod. After that, do you guys see this container right here? It has a liquid inside, right? This is also distilled water, okay? This distilled water is used to keep the pH rod clean. So we'll pull this upside before we start testing. After that, I'll explain to you the machine. So if we power this off, if we power this on, this is the main menu, okay? PUSA STFR meter. This is your power button. Do you see this blue button right here? This is your return button, okay? Or your back button. Return or back button. This circle right here, this orange button is your home button. This button will bring you back to your main menu, okay? This is your up button, down button. This is your enter button. This is also your enter button. You can use any of this. Both of these are your enter button. The numeric keypads right here are used for entering your soil survey number or your soil number. So first, this is your main menu. Someone press enter, please. Press enter. Yes. So now they're asking for pH. We're going to measure the pH right now. Press enter again. Yes. Now it's asking for its standard 7. Okay. So before we move on, this machine, before any parameter which we're going to test, it'll ask for its standard. So for pH, its standard is pH 7.0 and pH 4.0. This is used to calibrate the neutrality of the pH. 4.0. This is used to calibrate the acidity of the pH. Okay. So we'll be using this to calibrate it into the machine. So it's asking for pH 7. We'll put this into the pH 7. Now press enter someone. After you've pressed enter, let it take the reading of the pH 7. Let it calibrate for like 10 seconds. Let the machine calibrate it for like 10 seconds. Have you pressed it? Press down button. Down, down, down. Yes. Now pH 4, okay. But before, okay. So after we've cleaned this, we'll insert it into the, this is pH 4, right? pH 4 solution. Press enter. Someone? Yes, anyone. Now we'll also let this take its calibration or reading for like 10 seconds, okay? Continue testing the sample, okay? But before we put this into the sample as well, we need to clean the pH rod, okay?
Sir, can you repeat the procedure? Like after dipping into that solution, which we are going to calibrate,
Yes.
we have to wait for the 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Then after press the enter button, then the down
Down
button.
button, yes, yes, yes. And after that, we'll insert this into your sample, okay? We'll give the sample a mix a bit, and then we'll put it into your sample. Now, press enter. Yes. Now it's asking for your soil survey number. Soil survey number. In this machine, you can only enter your soil survey number in 3-digit numbers, like 001, 002, 003, like that. So this machine can hold up to 999 samples, okay? You can also overwrite the samples. But for today, we'll enter 001 because today is our first sample. Press enter. Now enter your soil survey number 001. 001, yes, very good. Press enter. Yes, now see, it's testing your pH. It's more than 7, I think it's alkaline. Yeah. We'll wait for the number to come to a constant or let it bounce around like 11, 12, 13. If it keeps bouncing around 11, 12, 13 like that, we'll be able to enter, okay?
There will be pH 11, 8.11.
11, yes. 8.1, yes. So that's your pH, okay? Press enter.
Slightly alkaline.
Press enter again. Yes. Enter. Keep pressing enter until you see sample. It says moderately alkaline. Yes.
Alkaline.
Enter.
Alkaline pH basic.
Now press enter again. Yes. Now sample. We came back to sample. Yes. So
So we have tested the first sample.
yes, the first sample is
Completed.
Completed. Okay.
So after we have completed testing the first sample, we have already calibrated the machine for the first time though.
Yeah.
So after that, after the first sample is done, you need to wash your pH rod, and if there are other samples like
The
sample
data
number
has
two-
been recorded by the machine.
yes, the data has been reported by the
So
machine.
how can we print it?
I'll come to that later on. Yes, in the end. Yeah, I'll show you how to use the printer as well. Yes. So after you're done with the first sample, wash the pH rod, and then you can continue testing the second, third sample without calibrating the pH 7 and 4. The only time in which you need to calibrate this machine is when you turn on the machine. After you've turned on the machine, you need to calibrate the pH 7 and 4. After that, you can continue testing your sample one after the other. It's really easy. So that is your pH. We'll clean it. We'll put the rod back inside. And then we'll